think you're aging because of time. You're not. You're aging because you are a walking chemistry experiment gone wrong. You look in the mirror and see lines, loose skin, and fatigue, and you blame your age. The truth? You are literally turning yourself into human brittle, and you're doing it with every single bite you take. You're not just eating food. You're fueling a fire that is burning your structure from the inside out. Stop pretending it's genetics. It's your fault, and it's time to stop the decay. Listen closely, because this is the math of your failure. Fact 1, glycation is real. When your blood sugar spikes, glucose attaches to your collagen, the protein that keeps your skin tight. It creates advanced glycation end products. We call them ages. Fitting, isn't it? Fact 2, you are hardening your arteries. High insulin doesn't just store fat, it makes your blood vessels stiff and brittle. You are turning your pipes into rusted iron. Fact 3, the sugar hangover. Every time you hit a sugar crash, your body triggers a massive inflammatory response. That inflammation is the primary accelerator of cellular death. Fact 4, insulin resistance is a trap. Once your cells stop listening to insulin, your body dumps more of it into your system. That extra insulin is a death warrant for your metabolism. Fact 5, the visual evidence. If you have dark spots, saggy skin, or brain fog, you are already seeing the aftermath of systemic glycation. It's written on your face. You want to stop the collapse? Here is how you repair your engine. Stop the spikes. Cut the processed sugars. If it came from a factory and has a barcode, it's probably fueling the fire. Fiber first. Every meal must start with green fiber. It coats your intestines and slows the absorption of glucose. Control the spike. Control the damage. Post-meal movement. You just ate? Don't sit. You have 30 minutes to burn that excess glucose before it starts binding to your proteins. A 10-minute walk isn't a suggestion, it's a requirement. Vinegar strategy. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in water before your carb-heavy meals. Science shows it significantly reduces the insulin response. Use it. Muscle density. Muscle is the largest glucose sink in your body. The more muscle you have, the more sugar you can burn without it causing systemic rot. Start lifting heavy. You're looking for a cream, a pill, or a doctor to fix this. Good luck. No one is coming to save you from your own habits. You created this damage, and you are the only one who can stop the clock. You have the science. You have the protocol. The rest is just an excuse. Evolution isn't a suggestion. It is the requirement. This is endless progression. Now, get to work.